Master the art of how-to tutorials. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into how demonstrating your knowledge through a how-to tutorial can accelerate your path to success. In our digital age, sharing expertise has never become more powerful. A well-crafted tutorial not only educates but also builds your credibility. Begin by identifying your niche. What do you excel at? Remember, your unique insight can turn a simple skill into a sought-after expertise. Next, structure your content. Start with the basics, then gradually delve into more complex aspects. This ensures your tutorial appeals to a broad audience. Use clear, concise language. Your goal is to educate. Complex jargon can deter beginners. Simplify concepts without compromising the depth of information. Incorporate visuals. Whether it's screenshots, diagrams, or live demonstrations, visuals can dramatically enhance understanding and retention of information. Engage with your audience. Encourage questions and feedback. This not only aids learning but also fosters a community around your content. Promote your tutorial across various platforms. Utilize social media, forums, and email newsletters. Visibility is key to attracting a wider audience. Lastly, be consistent. Success doesn't happen overnight. Regularly sharing your knowledge will gradually establish you as an authority in your field. Keep learning, keep teaching,